Hello friends, here 50 player poster mockup pack for Photoshop, but these are protected first unit subscription for access of my all file. Okay, go to sherryskpwd.com and get subscription for lifetime, just one time payment. Total size of these folder 2.01 GB, and here 50 file, all files are pst. Okay, so open in Photoshop like this one. Now we need two poster or two player design, here right and left. Okay, open this one, and now we need any photo, this one, drag here. Okay, 2000 pixels. Now drag, Control S, sorry, enter, Control Shift E, and then Control S for saving. Okay, and Control S. You see our photo here. Same thing, import your any photo like this one, and now Control S, and you see our images here. I know you know how to import our image in Mockup or PST or Photoshop. Close it and open any other file like this one, drag here, just double click, import, Control S for saving, and you see our image in here. So you can change background like this one. Okay, Control S. You see. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.